Hi, we're Jason and Carly, college planners for CommunityAmerica Credit Union. Fall typically marks the time when colleges begin to prepare financial aid packages. Each package outlines how much a family will receive for their loved one to attend the school of their choice. Students and parents anxiously review their financial aid package, hoping to get a better understanding of what they'll have to pay before classes begin. With so much on the line, it's important to understand how each package is prepared and your responsibilities throughout the process.
Long before receiving a financial aid letter, a family will first submit the free application for federal student aid, also known as the FAFSA. The FAFSA is a required application to receive financial aid from the government. One particular section of the FAFSA requires families to list each school they'd like to have their FAFSA information forwarded to. A family can list up to 10 schools at one time.
That's right, Carly. And once the FAFSA is submitted, information is transmitted to every college listed in the applicant's FAFSA. If the student has been admitted to the school, then those colleges go to work compiling government and institutional aid that a student qualifies for, including grants, scholarships, and loans. Available aid will then be outlined in a financial aid package, typically in the form of a letter or email, and delivered to the family before school starts.
The applicant must then elect to accept or deny some or all of the financial aid offered by the school. Keep in mind, a family will receive a separate financial aid package from each college at which they're accepted and have satisfied all steps in the financial aid process. Want to learn more about financial aid? Follow the link below to explore our resources.